Good morning, everybody. Today we are discussing the next topic, that is the derivation of the rate constant of a bimolecular second order reaction from collision theory. According to this theory, consider a second order reaction having two different type of the reactant A and B to give the product C. So, according to the kinetic theory, a gas of a molecular mass m containing only one kind of the molecule, the number of the bimolecular collision per centimeter cube per second at T Kelvin is given by ZAA, and it is shown in the figure from the kinetic theory. The unimolecular, the only one type of the molecule is bombarded per centimeter cube per second at a T Kelvin. So these three conditions are very important. The collision must be per centimeter cube and per second of time, and the temperature is also constant T Kelvin, and the reaction containing only one type of the molecule. Then the number of the bimolecular collision can be calculated according to the kinetic theory by using ZAA, where ZAA is the collision number, and this collision number can be calculated by the equation ZAA is equal to root 2 pi nu sigma square and n square, where nu is the average velocity of the gas molecule in centimeter per second, and sigma is the molecular diameter in centimeter, and n is the number of the molecule per centimeter cube. But the average velocity of a gas molecule can be calculated from the gas equation as nu. Instead of nu, we can write nu bar is equal to root 8 RT divided by pi into m, where R is the gas constant, T is the temperature, and m is the mass of the molecule. But in majority of the cases, the reaction is taking place between the two different type of the molecule A and B. So we can write the ZAA to ZAB, that is the collision number in terms of molecular mass having two different type of the molecule A and B. So it is the number of the bimolecular collision per centimeter cube per second at T Kelvin is represented by ZAB, which we can calculate from the kinetic theory of gas as Na NB into D average square into 8 pi RT into MA and MB divided by MA MB whole square to the power half. That means here in the above equation ZAA, it is written n square. But here there are two different type of the molecule. So that's why we can replace that term by Na and NB. And instead of sigma, we can replace the D average. That is, D average is the sigma A plus sigma B divided by 2. That is the diameter of the two different molecule divided by 2. That is the average diameter of the two different type of the molecule. Then the velocity is written 8 pi RT divided by, instead of m, we have to substitute MA plus MB divided by MA MB whole raised to half. Then from the Maxwell distribution law, it can shown that if the n is the total number of the molecule per centimeter cube in a gaseous state at T Kelvin, we can represent the Maxwell distribution law as n is equal to n star into e to the power e divided by RT, where n is the total number of the molecule per centimeter cube per second, whereas n star is the number of the molecule having the energy of the E. And so we can n by n star is equal to e to the power E divided by RT. That means that number of the molecule, n by n star is the total number of the molecule which is present in the inside the centimeter cube, having the energy and velocity and at a time t. So instead of this n, we can substitute the Z, because Z is the number of the bimolecular collision per centimeter cube per second at T temperature, and instead of n star we can substitute ZAB and e to the power EA by RT. So the rate is equal to ZAB into e to the power minus E by RT, because rate is depending upon the number of the bimolecular collision per centimeter cube. That's why we can equate the ZAB into e to the power E by RT to rate. Then, according to the second order kinetics, according to the chemical kinetics, for a second order reaction, rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B. That we represented as rate is equal to K. Instead of Ca, we can write Na, that is the number of the molecule, number of the moles of the gas molecule or any molecule which is present in the container per centimeter cube. Cb is the number of the molecule. Instead of that, we can represent Nb. So the K is equal to, we can equate Na, Nb to ZAB into e to the power Ea by RT. That means above equation. So K is equal to D average square into 8 pi KRT into MA MB divided by MA MB whole raised to half into e to the power minus E by RT. So we know that usually the K is represented in terms of the mole. So we have to convert this equation for a Avogadro number of the molecule. So substitute value K. The above equation, K is equal to D average square 8 pi RT. Equation is multiplied by N divided by 1000. For we are multiplying the N due to we are converting this equation in number of moles, divided by 1000. 1000 is in terms of liter. Okay. Now, so K is equal to we can replace represented this equation as K is equal to Z into e to the power minus E by RT. So we can also represent K is equal to A into e to the power minus E by RT. That is the Arrhenius equation. So if you are comparing the two equation, we know that A is equal to Z. So A is equal to N by 1000 into D average square 8 pi RT into MA plus MB divided by MA MB whole raised to half. Then we have calculated that according to A, according to the theoretical method, but we know that the theoretical value is slightly higher than that of the experimental value. This is mainly due to the collision between the activated molecule may not be effective due to the lack of proper orientation for the collision. That's why we are introducing the new term, that is probability factor or the steric factor, which is represented by the P. So by introducing the P, the above equation K is equal to A into e to the power Ea by RT become K is equal to K is equal to Z into e to the power Ea by RT. This equation become K is equal to P into Z into e to the power minus E by RT.